here we are again talking about gifts we received from a peer package. And here's one from Dfyage. But here's their letter. Here's a little something to brighten up your day. Dfyage. Okay, it's a bit better pronunciation. Is a unique oral sunblock with a revolutionary formula. It not only protects you from harmful UV rays, it also blurs fine lines and wrinkles, fights acne and DNA damage, whitens, smoothens, and lifts your skin without expensive treatment. Made with superior ingredients, you'll see amazing results in 2 weeks or less. Ooh! We hope you like this gift from us. Yay! So, they sent this. Tagline nila, make others want skin like yours. Whitening, hydrating, anti-aging oral sunblock, DNA damage protection. So, if you're interested, kasi like me, sobrang sanad ko maglagay ng sunblock. Baka this is better kasi mas masipag ako mag-take ng vitamins. Isasabay ko na siya mag-take sa pag-take ko ng vitamins. So, if you're like me and you want to try it, do the challenge with you, glow up and see the results in 2 weeks, you can find the products at Mercury Drug, Shopee, Lazada, Beauty Manila, and Soju. And also, if you're gonna order through their website, Dfyage.com, that's Dfyage.com, you can use my voucher or my code stephxdfyage for a discount. Or you can swipe up order in. Let's all glow up.